Hi, today in front of me Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the green Apple Keyboard. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple Keyboard, click once on the switcher, then tap to activate and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to English, United States green Apple Keyboard. So the process is finished. Let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of our models. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.